Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Aquarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have 10 of Pentacles in reverse, 4 of Swords, and 9 of Pentacles. So, in your circumstances, guys, Aquarius, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe you are thinking about something, guys. You are in deep thought, you have not come to a decision, maybe. So there are opportunities in your work or in your relationship. You are making some important choices for yourself. You are happy because you are moving towards something good. You are happy that you have these offers and opportunities in your life, but you are not sure what path to take up. So maybe for some of you, you are thinking, assessing your circumstances and thinking what needs to be done. So some important choices are right in front of you and you are happy. You have that sense of accomplishment, happiness and harmony today, guys. Maybe things are going in a smooth way in your work. Whatever you have planned or expected is what is reaching you, and you have that sense of fulfillment in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, in your relationship, maybe, guys, there is this person you love, and maybe they are not telling you, but you yourself, you know that they are planning to gift you, or they are planning something, maybe going for a surprise announcement or a gift. So you have some kind of intuition telling you that they are deciding something. So this thought process, what we were talking about, guys, it may be your energy or their energy. Maybe they are thinking and planning something for this relationship, something for your future together, or maybe it may be your energy. You are planning something for this person, maybe taking them, maybe giving them a surprise today and planning to propose to them. Because I see that you are happy, you have that contentment, but the only thing I see here is maybe you need to make that right choice, guys. That is the reason you are maybe taking a break from your work, even in your work situation, guys. You are planning to take a break from your work and think about some offers or opportunities that are coming towards you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Page of Pentacles. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is some news coming to you, and it may be a good news reaching you today, guys. Maybe this person you love, they are planning to propose. Maybe we saw that energy with the previous cards. They are thinking of some gifts or planning the next move, maybe. and it may be engagement or marriage, guys. So something positive, guys, something good is coming up in your relationship, guys. So for your career, let's see. So we have Page of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card, again, maybe they have there are some announcements even in your career, guys. So it may be a happy announcement in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship, guys. So something positive is coming towards you. That is what I see with these cards, Aquarius, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day-to-day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day-to-day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.